In this video, we are going to make one very simple but powerful system inside our garden bed. This system will give compost tea directly to our plant roots, and later on, we will also get beautiful, rich compost from it. This compost we can use next season for our beds, or even for container plants. So, let's start the process without wasting any time. First thing you do is find some container in your house that is not in any use. Maybe some old paint bucket, broken plastic pot, or big bottle. Anything will work, as long as it's not too small. Clean it properly if it is dirty, and now you start making holes in the container. You make holes on all sides, on the bottom, and even on the lid if you are using one. These holes are very important because they allow air to go inside and let compost tea slowly come out into the soil. That tea is like tonic for plants, full of nutrients, and it reaches roots without any hard work. Now go to your garden bed, or even a big pot if you are doing this in container gardening. Select one good place where you have some free space. Take a small shovel or any digging tool and make a hole equal to the size of your container. Hole should be deep enough so that only the top part of the container stays above ground and rest goes inside. After digging, you place your container in that hole and press the soil back around it to fix it nicely. It should not move here and there. Make it firm, like it is part of the garden bed. Now comes the most interesting part. Start filling your container with kitchen waste. Whatever waste you have, vegetable peels, banana skins, apple cores, tea powder, coffee grounds, eggshells, spoiled bread, you can put inside. Just don't add any meat, bones, dairy, or oily food, because those things attract rats and smell very bad. If possible, tear or cut bigger pieces into small ones, so they break down faster. Once your container is almost full, add one layer of vermicompost on top. If you have earthworms in that compost, even better. This vermicompost is full of good microbes and live worms. These worms will eat the waste and convert it into beautiful compost. And as they do their job, they also produce liquid. This is your compost tea. That tea will come out slowly from the holes and directly reach your plant's roots. So, no need to spray or pour anything extra. Nature will do the work. After you add the vermicompost, pour a good amount of water in the container. Not too much, not too little. Just enough so everything becomes moist. If it becomes dry inside, composting will stop, and if it becomes too wet, it may smell. So aim for middle level, like when you squeeze a sponge and little water comes out. That kind of moistness is perfect. Once it is moist, cover the top. You can use any lid or tie a cloth on top using rubber band or string. This will stop mosquitoes from going inside and laying eggs. Also, it will protect the inside from drying up too fast. Now, your compost tea system is ready. You don't have to do anything fancy after this. Every few days you can open it and add more waste from your kitchen. You can even stir it once in a while using a stick. But even if you leave it alone, it will keep working silently. The worms will stay busy, eating and breaking down the waste. The compost tea will keep feeding your plants. Leaves will become greener, flowers will come more, and fruits will be healthy. For more such gardening tips, DIY fertilizers, sprays, and ideas, please check out the other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and like the video if you found it helpful.